In this video, I'm going to show you how to resend a document in PandaDoc. Now, the first thing you have to do is go to the Home tab, and then in here, you want to find the document you want to resend. So I have this one over here inside Waiting for Others. And then, of course, there may be different reasons why you're trying to resend, but the easiest one to do so is to actually just send a reminder. So to do it, you want to find the document you want to resend, go to the far right and click on the three dots, and then from here, you want to click on Send Reminder. Now, whenever you do this, it's basically going to send a reminder for this document, and essentially it's going to resend it. So if I click on Send Reminder over here, as you can see, it's going to say that right now it can't do it because I've done this in the past 24 hours. However, if you haven't done that in the past 24 hours, you'll be able to do it again, okay? So you can send a reminder or resend basically every 24 hours. Now we can also click on that specific document over here for more customization, and then whenever that document opens up inside the PandaDoc over here, so inside the app, you'll be able to see up top right over here you have like a bunch of different things, and then of course you can go and click on invite over here and click on share via link, and you can yet again go ahead and basically share the links as well. And then down here you can see reminders, and of course you can enable auto reminders as well if you want to. And then over here you can just go ahead and click on invite and then click on CC recipients, and then in here you can go and basically click on a recipient and send a reminder, of course manually, for each and every single one of them as well. Okay, so those are the options you have to resend a document. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.